ababuye bazofocusa ku-March and March. Nazi i-30 June, ababuye sizofocusa kwi-30 zikaJune. Ababuye.
Nebanyana nje bingakora nje la. Ibanyana nje bingashaya amagoli nje amathathu. Ibingakora nje ibanyana nje ibingakora amagoli awu4. Iphuma iwinile la ibanyana. Sengutshela mina ngebanyana ke manje sakhuluma. Ibanyana nayo ibingakora la.
Siyabonga mkhulu makuphela iWorld Cup nje. Siyabonga okuhle osenzele kona wasiletha kuWorld Cup siyabonga. Emva kweWorld Cup nje kodwa hayi sesibongile. Hawu. Hayi.
Yes, izolo sibe negame embi. Yes, we lost our first game, but guys, there's something very positive enzakalile izolo. Very positive for us ama-fans esiyikhathalele bafana esinethemba ngayo ukuthi egemini elandelayo at least Hugo Bruce will have no choice ukuthi adlalise uYaya egroundini. He will have no choice, ngeke azamdlalise ngoba akasekho bafethu. At least umthwalo uphungukile. Ayikabi bafethu angemkhulumi kambi umtshedi. But guys, for i-national team usekwasenzelana umtshedi. Ayikambi bafethu angemkhulumi kambi, ngiyazi ukuthi sinkwa sakhe ukuthi adlale ibhola adlalele bafana. I'm not saying he's a bad player, but mhlawumbe ugood eteamini yakhe. But useke wasenzelana egroundini. Sibuye futhi size kule red card. Guys, I'm not a hater, but I'm glad. Uyedwa umuntu oshotile uforced kuphela ukuthi asole red card guys. Ukuze egemini elandelayo sazi ukuthi sinethemba lokuthi Hugo Bruce akana choice but ukuthi enze into right egroundini. Uhlulo ukwenza into esimple Hugo Bruce egroundini. Isidingo sikamshishi bafethu whether you are a Sundown support besikuphi ngalesa sikhathi. Besikuphi. Ekhona umfukeng umuntu esimthembile sazi ukuthi sonke lesikhathi throughout all season ubekade enza ama creativity simbuka phambi kwethu, ubekade shooter from range ashaya amagoli athusayo ahamba kancane emoyeni. We needed that creativity bafethu, umuntu ozodlala gijima nebhola. Uke walithinta nje kodwa uzwana ibhola ngaphandle kwe red card.
Bafethu lenkinga iqale kwi lineup. From I lineup nje inkinga ngiyibonile. Sizo defend game yokuqala nje le World Cup le sizo defend 5 defenders 5 fine set defend no wing asina wing, not even a creative midfield at least ezofit ama strike ukuthi mhlawumbe mesithola igap. No, not even a single creative midfielder ebikhona kwi starting lineup. Set defender nale starting lineup isinaso akuyeki naphambili. We cannot go forward. Ngiyayibona leyo nto. Usolo red card. How is a midfielder getting a red card when we have 5 defenders? Ngoba usole bese size emumva. We have 5 defenders. 5, but a midfielder is getting a red card. What's that? From the lineup. Siyadlala, uzalo red card. God, our captain, I'm sorry. Nele yapasa kolokal. Awubona ukuthi defend ukuthi umuntu phasela kunabadlali bamsarondile. From the starting lineup, when have we played this type of football? I don't know. Apulis wonke, Apulis usebenchini. Apulis can play the whole game. Sibelebele akakhathali. Ngabe usebenchini lo sibelebele. Ngabe ngiyathi bedlala le defense la kuno Apolis nomsibelebele abantu abagijimayo abangakhathali abangayiqeda ngisho igame from the starting lineup. No man, no, we've lost 2-0. Set defend. Yini say defend. Shoot. It's again it's fine. This thing angaphinde yenze fethu coach wethu le lineup kanje. Mina have the problem from the lineup game plan yonke into nje. We've never as qualifying as let bhola le kwi World Cup. This is not the type of football that qualified us ukuthi sidlale kwi World Cup. Now we get here for the first time. Siyashintsha. Start to realize the first. uRenas Lobonga umdlalisi all along. Bafethu angazi ake ngizwe nini.
Hayi. Ningasifaki thina. Hayi. Ningasifaki. Pirates Sundowns. Na imisebenzi yePirates neSundowns. Thina ningasifaki thina. Niyabona nana sikho. So ningaloku nithi. Ningasifaki. Abantu benu bama trophy la.
So anyway, guys, South Africa is currently crashing out. It is sad, guys. People are saying a lot after what happened to Bafana Bafana against Mexico, guys. Somebody went on to say, now I understand why men get so mad over soccer. I sleep with an empty stomach. Why we ask, where is the Themba Zwane going to a FIFA World Cup when we get attacked? Some are saying a good say we left a goalkeeper behind. They are talking about Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper. Someone went on to say, I cannot believe the only headlines for South Africa is Taylor singing the national anthem. Somebody went on to say 45 minutes never touched the ball. Others went on to say, where are the Mexicans saying we have the ball? So somebody they say a lot of stuff when it comes to the situation that happened yesterday. Watching football with women, it is crazy. Jiggy baby, this one looks like magic. Live. I wonder what was going on in his head. Let's not give up, guys. Argentina lost their opening match in their last edition of the FIFA World Cup and went all the way to win the trophy. South African. So people are saying a lot of stuff when it comes to the situation. Yeah, yesterday some are saying let's not give up. Others are saying we still have a lot of things to do in this country, guys. Remember that on the 30th of June by the foreigners. So people are saying we should be focusing on that instead of focusing on World Cup. We knew very well we're not gonna win. So there's a lot of things that is going on. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about it. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.